Think tea is just a cozy drink? What if your daily cup could actually support your kidneys, help flush out waste, and reduce inflammation, all backed by science? Today, we are uncovering the top 5 herbal teas that your kidneys will thank you for. Stick around till the end, because the last one is something most of us already drink, but probably in the wrong way. Welcome to Health Changes, where we turn complex health science into simple, practical tips for everyday life. Let's get brewing. First up, dandelion root tea. You might think of dandelions as weeds, but their roots are powerful natural diuretics. They help your kidneys flush out extra salt and waste, kind of like giving your kidneys a gentle rinse. One study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that dandelion extract increased urination frequency and volume in humans, meaning it supports healthy filtration. Plus, unlike chemical diuretics, dandelion tea is rich in potassium, so it helps maintain your electrolyte balance while keeping you hydrated. 1 cup a day is plenty to start with. Next, nettle leaf tea, also known as stinging nettle. It's loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect kidney tissues from oxidative stress. Research in Phytomedicine Journal shows that nettle helps reduce inflammation markers and supports kidney recovery in animal studies. It can also help people who deal with mild fluid retention or high blood pressure, 2 major stress factors for kidney health. Just steep 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaves in hot water for 10 minutes and enjoy it warm or iced. Number 3. Hibiscus tea. You've probably seen its deep red color in health stores. This tangy, refreshing tea does more than taste good. Studies show it helps lower blood pressure and reduce oxidative stress, both crucial for protecting your kidneys from long-term damage. High blood pressure is one of the main causes of chronic kidney disease. By relaxing your blood vessels and improving circulation, hibiscus tea indirectly supports kidney function. A review in the Journal of Hypertension confirmed that drinking hibiscus tea daily can reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure within a few weeks. Number 4. Parsley tea. Yes, that little green garnish on your plate is actually a gentle kidney cleanser. Parsley tea has been used for centuries as a natural diuretic and detoxifier. It helps your kidneys eliminate excess sodium and toxins while providing antioxidants that protect kidney cells from stress. A 2002 study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that parsley extract increased urine output and promoted waste removal. The flavor is mild and earthy. Just boil a handful of fresh parsley in water for 5 to 7 minutes, strain, and sip it warm. And finally, green tea, probably the most researched tea on earth. Green tea contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative damage inside the kidneys, especially in people exposed to toxins or high blood sugar. Research published in Clinical and Experimental Pharmacology and Physiology showed that green tea catechins help lower oxidative stress and may protect kidney cells. But moderation is key. Too much caffeine can dehydrate or stress your kidneys, so aim for 1 or 2 cups a day. Remember, even natural remedies can interact with medications or medical conditions. If you have kidney disease, blood pressure issues, or take diuretics, always talk to your doctor before adding herbal teas to your daily routine. Start slow, try 1 tea at a time, and listen to how your body responds. So, which of these herbal teas will you try first? Dandelion, hibiscus, or maybe parsley? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed kidney health tips. Next time on Health Changes, we are revealing the worst drinks for your kidneys. And trust me, you're probably drinking at least one of them right now.